Hello and welcome to another video. For this particular birthday party we are at the Meridien in the heart of London in Piccadilly. It's a very quick video that I have for you here because we just put a few things together for this birthday party that was arranged in literally 2 days. This was the early side of March and we simply provided some gold Javari chairs, 2 different types of centerpieces and silk flowers, charger plates and blue napkins and some uplights. This was for a birthday party for a lovely lady who was turning 60 and she just wanted to invite some of her nearest and dearest to a lovely meal to celebrate her birthday. And for this particular setting it was a banqueting style, so all long tables, and I really quite like this configuration, which was actually come up with by the planner. And in the centre of the room it made it perfect for the cake, which eventually came in there. We came in quite early to set up for this function, so at the moment cutlery and crockery and glassware isn't on the table, but they were due to come in, provided by the caterer. Again, it's a very simple but very lovely event that we had the pleasure of styling and decorating, and it just shows you the power of something very simple but really making such a lovely room. If you have any questions, just message us in the comments or send over an email and we'll be absolutely happy to help. Thanks for watching.